Alright, question 3. 3.1 without using a calculator, determine the value of the sum of 1 over y minus 2. Okay, let us write this down. The sum of 1 over y minus 2 starting from y equal 3 up to 10 minus the sum of 1 over y minus 1 starting from y equal to 3 up to 10. So we have to determine the value of this. Alright guys and girls, we will start with this part and then next we will calculate this part so that we can subtract. Just because we don't have enough space, I think we should start with this part. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for this series, let us first determine how many terms does it have. And how do we get that? It is top minus bottom plus 1. So the top is 10 minus the bottom, which is 3 plus 1. So that is 10 minus 3 is a 7 plus 1. So it is equal to 8 terms. So this series has 8 terms. I think this one also has 8 terms because it is 10 minus 3 plus 1 as well. So we'll have 8 terms and 8 terms here as well, but we will start with this one. So for the first term, where y is equal to 3, we will have 1 over, the first term is 3 minus 2 plus 1 over, for the second term we have 4 minus 2. We will do this up to 10. So plus 1 over 5 minus 2 bracket plus 1 over 6 minus 2 plus 1 over 7 minus 2 bracket plus 1 over 8 minus 2 plus 1 over 9 minus 2 plus 1 over 10 minus 2. Alright. Okay, so how many times do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let us sort this out. We have 1 over 3 minus 2, that is a 1. So it's obviously a 1 plus 1 over 4 minus 2, it's a 2 plus 1 over 5 minus 2, it's a 3 plus 1 over 6 minus 2, it's 4 plus 1 over 7 minus 2, it's a 5 plus 1 over 8 minus 2, it's a 6 plus 1 over 9 minus 2, it's 7 plus 1 over 10 minus 2, it's an 8. Alright, let us add this, or let us find the sum of these fractions. And without using a calculator, we have to get an LCM. And the LCM is 1 multiplied by 2 by 3 up to 8. 1 multiplied by 2 by 3 by 4 by 5 by 6 by 8. So our LCM is 40,320. LCM is 40,320. Okay, now 40,320 divided by 1, it's 40,320 multiplied by 1. That is still 40,320 plus 40,320 divided by 2. 40,320 divided by 2. It is 2160. 2160 multiplied by 1, it's still 2160 plus 4320 divided by 3. So now we divide by 3. 13440. 13440 multiplied by 1, it's still at 13440 plus 4320 divided by 4. Yes, we divide by a 4 now. It is 10080. 10080 multiplied by 1, it's still a 10080. So 40,320 divided by 5. We divide by 5 now. 8064. 8064 multiplied by 1, and that is still an 8064 plus 4320 divided by 6. Okay, we divide by 6 now. It is 6720. 6720 multiplied by 1, it is still a 6720. And now we have 4320 divided by 7. Divide by a 7, we get a 5760. 5760 multiplied by 1 is still a 5760 plus 4320 divided by 8. We get a 5040. So 5040 multiplied by 1, it's still a 5040. Okay, now guys, let us add this. We will use our calculator. One thing you must notice that on our question paper, we were told that we should calculate this whole question without using a calculator. But we are using a calculator here, but it's just that we're using it the smart way. Of course, we didn't just take the calculator and punched in these values, because that would be wrong. That would be wrong according to the question. So we're using the calculator. It's just that we're using it the smart way. We're using it to calculate or to show the way we were calculating this. So let us use a calculator and add these numbers up. So we have a 4320 plus 2160 plus 13440 plus 10080 plus 8064 plus 6720 plus 5760 plus 5040. Okay, that is equal to 109,584. So this top part we have a 109,584. All this is over 40,320. Can this be simplified? Let us check with the calculator. So that is 109,584 over 40,320. And it is simplified as 761 over 280. So it can be simplified. So that is equivalent to 761 over 280. Okay, now we don't have space to calculate the next part. So let us take this 761 over 280 and put it over here. 761 over 280 so that we don't forget. And now let us erase this part. Alright, now guys and girls, we are calculating this part. And this part has 8 terms as well. So we will start with when y is equal to 3. So 1 over 3 minus 1, because it's y minus 1, plus 1 over 4 minus 1. We will do this up to a 10. So plus 1 over 5 minus 1 plus 1 over 10 minus 1. And this is the last one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms. Okay, that's perfect. So we have 1 over 3 minus 1, that is a 2, plus 1 over 4 minus 1, that is 1 over 3, plus 1 over 5 minus 1, that is a 4, plus 1 over 6 minus 1, that is a 5, plus 1 over 7 minus 1, that is 6, plus 1 over 8 minus 1, it's a 7, plus 1 over, it's an 8, plus 1 over 10 minus 1, that is obviously a 9. Alright, now let us add this. So to do that, we have to get the LCM. The LCM. So the LCM of this is 2 multiplied by 3 up to 9. 2 multiplied by 3 by 4 by 5 by 6 by 7 by 8 by 9. And that is a 362,880. So our LCM is 362,880. So 362,880 divided by 2. 362,880 divided by 2, it's 181,440. So it is a 181,440 plus 362,880 divided by 3. We will do this up to a 9. Alright, we have divided now up to 9. So let us add these numbers. So we have 181,440 plus 120, 960 plus 90, 720 plus 75 or 725, 76 plus 6480 plus 51,840 plus 45,360 plus 4320. Okay, we get a 663,696. Okay, so we get a 663,696. All this is over 362 over 362,880. So can this be simplified? Let us check with the calculator. 663,696 over 362,880. And that is simplifies to 4609 over 2520. So that simplifies to 4609 over 2520. So this part of the series we get a 4609 over 2520. So now we know this part of the series is equal to this. So now let us subtract this from that. Okay, so we have a 761 over 280 minus a 4609 over 2520. And to subtract fractions, you know we have to get an LCM. So to get an LCM of this, we'll multiply 280 and 2520. So let us calculate. So let us find the LCM of this. We have 280 multiplied by 2520, that is equal to a 705,600. So our LCM is 705,600. 705,600 divided by 280 is obviously a 2520. So 2520 multiplied by 761. 2520 multiplied by 761. That is 1917,720. It's a 1917,720. And this is minus, and 705,600 divided by 2520, that is obviously 280. So 280 multiplied by 4609. 280 multiplied by 4609. That is 129,0520. 129,0520. So let us sort this out. 1917,720 minus 129,0520. That is 627,200. So this is equal to a 627 and 200 over 705,600. And can this be simplified? We will check with the calculator. So we have 627,200 divided by 705,600. This is equal to 8 over 9. So this is equal to an 8 over 9. So this is how we determine the value of this. And our final answer is an 8 over 9. Alright guys and girls, if you have any questions regarding this question, you can leave your questions on the comments section. Okay, now let us go to 3.2.